Wherever you think your unique key, a long string of numbers that is yours and yours alone, will be safest.